In Vermont, the cedar waxwing, Bombycilla cedrorum, is a familiar sight during the summer months, often seen in flocks feasting on berries and nesting in ornamental fruit trees. As the breeding season winds down in late August, these sleek, masked songbirds begin to molt, shedding and replacing their feathers in preparation for migration. This molting phase is crucial, ensuring their plumage is in peak condition for the journey south. By September, cedar waxwings gather in larger groups and migrate to warmer regions of the United States and Mexico, following the seasonal abundance of fruit.